So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show how to install Metasploit in Termux without error. This video is first on YouTube. I installed latest Metasploit in Termux without error. You can check any tool on GitHub or any video. You can't install Metasploit in Termux because there is many errors. I already fixed all the errors. You can follow my video. So first you have to type apt update and apt upgrade to update and upgrade package. This is the first step and my English is not good, but I will try to make video in English. So first you have to update and upgrade package. After that you have to install my tool, which is already updated. If you like my work, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. Second step is to install Git to clone my tool. So you have to type just pkg install Git to install Git, and after that you have to type git clone and please paste my GitHub tool link. If you want regular fixes, just give a start to my repo and message me on my website www.h4ck3r.me. I will fix my tool and will get no error on Metasploit. So just give a start to my repo. If you don't know how to give a star, just go to my GitHub account and create your account and click on a star button and will give a star to my repo. So after that you have to type cd metasploit termux, then type bash metasploit.sh to run my tool. You will get many options. You have to just type 1 and type 2. It will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes to install Metasploit in Termux. If you get any error before messaging me, just reinstall Metasploit, and if you get that error again, then message me or create an issue on GitHub. So I will tell you my tool works like whenever you get internet connection, so maybe that step will be skip. So please retry that process again to reinstall Metasploit correctly. Metasploit tools require minimum 50 to 20 MB to download Metasploit files. After that it will take 200 to 300 MB to install James file. So you need patience to install Metasploit because it will require minimum 10 minutes. So you have to just wait, and if you get again any error, just message me on my website www.h4ck3r.me. You will get an option to message me directly if you create an account there. Most users get errors in installing same file for Metasploit. So I am not going to skip my video. You can see my installation process and you can compare your installation process too if you get any error. Just ignore this error if you get. My tool also create database for Metasploit as well. You don't need to create database. After that you can see installed successfully. So here all process is done. It will automatically start Metasploit. So you have to just wait. Here Metasploit framework console is starting up. You have to wait at least 30 seconds to start Metasploit framework console. Here you can see Metasploit version, which is version 6.2.33, which is latest Metasploit. If you like my work, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also give a star to my report. You can see Metasploit framework working fine, and if you get any error, please contact me on my website. For now, I'm going to end the video. If you like it, please like the video.